Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you account reusable parameter forms. What are fields, what are setup available in this form? First is journal type where you can set a customer related setup one time customer. Select the customer account as default template for one time customer. This is the customer account that will serve as template for the information that will be entered on sales order for customer who is not expected to make subsequent order. Mandatory tax group, minimum reimbursement, default filter for customer transaction, suppress depreciation for payment section, then default sales values, whatever order type it should be sales order default. These are the order type available: journal, subscription, return order, item requirement, and sales order. Reservation you want to manual or automatic. Automatic batch reservation you want or not. Then sales origin from enterprise portal, sales order pool. These are the pools: internet order pool, retail order pool, where's wholesale order pool, default order pool. Then sales setup, prompt for customer information, billing classification, on hold sales order status. Here you can say open. Then these are the setup related to sales quotation, order type customer, days campaign expire, day before follow, and reason code related setup, required reason for payment cancellations, if a return order for transaction reversal, and customer approval setup. You want to enable or not, which fields you want to enable, credit limit, sales tag, method of payment. You can tick or untick based on the upon your requirement. And second type is update order lines, update delivery dates in line default, accept over delivery, under delivery, safety label for invoice order, then picking list related setups. Same as order lines, use default language, automatic rotation picking, check for multiple warehouse, picking route status. Then for packing slip only two options are there: post packing slip in ledger or automatic reduction packing slip. Then invoice related setup, you can see one by one whatever available. Default language for sales invoices, order account, then default settlement type for credit note, all those you can set. Then batch related setups are here, number of documents in batch task, percentage of collection letters in batch task. Then project is also very important module, allow ledger number to be edited, display project related fields on free text invoices. Then summary updates, parameters, default value, order error tolerance, then split based on the site, picking list, packing slip, invoice. And shipment related parameters are these: update of shipment, delivery controls parameter, then shipment layout, then bill of landing related parameters you can see. Then ledger and sales tax, you can see posting profile, primary sales posting for items or customers. In account payable there was a vendor option, and then payment section, then bill of exchange section, then cash flow forecast, then time between shipping date and invoice, in terms of payment, and net 30, and times between invoice due date and payment date. Liquidity account for payment you can set. Then settlement parameters, automatic settlement, minimum penny difference you can set, under payment, over payment. Then mark lines for free text invoices, priority, settlement prioritize, settle reminder you can set, you can enable. Then direct debit, pre-notification bank submission parameters. Then expiration, credit card related setups, credit card authorization, credit card note, number of days before expired. Then estimated freight charges, credit card payment posting, ledger account, then collections related parameters. In this, interest and fees, collection letters parameters, write off, collection default, then email template. After that, prices. These are a lot of parameters, one by one we cannot tell you, only important things I will tell. Prices related parameters, then price details, generic currency, smart rounding, total discount, trade agreement evaluation, then trade agreement validations. Proceed. Then electronic data document related setups. I have already shown in a video account payable parameters I have described. You can see same here. Then inventory dimension also same like account payable videos. Then rebate program. In this setup option for rebate program, you can set the journal, consumption journal, AP invoice journal, rebate accrual journal, freight journal, trade spending journal names. Then number sequences is very important. You always know which number sequence is going to set for which field. Customer account number sequence, important one. Free text invoice, then free text invoice voucher, payment voucher, closing voucher. Sales order is very important. RMA number, quotation journal, confirmation picking list, picking slip, packing slip, customer invoice. These are the important number sequences. You can see one by one. Or then warehouse management. Credit limit check, sales order, fulfillment policy you can set. And preview feature is the last steps for this, in which collection turn on performance improvement, like that you can enable or disable depends on your requirement. Friends, I have shown you, and you can share with your friends and you learn. You can check all my day 365 finance and operation videos in my previous videos.